Robbie from Afrobank Music.
Hi, my name's Winnie Hamelo, now known as Mrs. Asiebu. Myself and my husband Obi got married at Labadi Beach Hotel in December last year. Our wedding was coordinated and planned by Purple 12, led by Abukuma. Myself and Abukuma started talking around March of last year. Abukuma doesn't know, but actually I was looking at 3 different companies before I decided on who to go with. I literally went into Google. So my husband Obi is Nigerian, and just to give you a little background about us. So I'm Ghanaian and Togolese, living in London. My husband Nigerian, lives in Nigeria, and we wanted to get married in Ghana. Had no one to direct us, and what we knew was that, you know, Labadi was where we wanted to get married, but we didn't know where to start and what we needed to do. The reason why I went with Purple 12 was because Abukuma's personality is so infectious. I mean, she was my third call, and I just kind of fell in love with her, and the company decided this is who I was going with. So of course I don't live in Ghana, so basically our meetings were by Skype. So we had weekly or fortnightly calls depending on where we were in terms of the stage of the process. What I really appreciated from Purple 12 was the fact that I really had no idea in terms of the vendors, who to use, who not to use. So Abukuma gave me a whole list of different vendors I could use. She suggested the ones that she'd worked with, gave me a little bit of feedback of the companies. I went onto the website, and myself and my husband decided on who we wanted to choose, which was brilliant because although we were given a lot of options, we felt like we made the decisions ourselves in terms of who we wanted to use. Abukuma and Phyllis, her assistant, were on WhatsApp, so we could message them at any time if we weren't sure about anything, we wanted advice. Literally about 2 months before the wedding, myself and Obi, my husband, went to Ghana, and the idea was to meet the vendors in real life as opposed to just talking to them. So we met with all the different vendors, and it was brilliant. We got to see their work live, although of course we had gone onto the website, we pretty much already decided we wanted to go with them anyway, but of course you want to meet the people you're working with, and this was all coordinated by Purple 12. On the actual wedding day and leading up to the wedding, I didn't really feel stressed out. Most people talk about how the wedding is extremely stressful. I mean, I was slightly stressed out, but then it wasn't that bad at all. I was really comfortable, I felt relaxed, I felt like Purple 12 were, you know, getting things done. I didn't have to worry about much. So the highlight of the wedding day for us was the fact that everyone was just happy. Things didn't look messy, which was very, very important to me. When I had my first call with Abukuma, she asked me what's most important to you, and I told her, you know, what my top 5 priority is, and one of those was that everything needed to be well coordinated. I didn't want a wedding where people felt it was messy, people didn't really know what they were doing, and I didn't get that at all. And that was one of the best bits about my wedding, and I really appreciated it because I've been to a few events where, you know, you're just there and you don't know what you're going to be doing next. It doesn't seem like anyone does, and that kind of loses the touch of class of your event, and that was really important to myself and my husband. So I didn't realise that there were issues on the day. I didn't know anything about it. Do you know why? Because everything was handled by Purple 12. So I later on found out that there was a problem with there wasn't a cable for speakers or something. But then Abukuma and the team quickly got one sorted and it was all done. No one actually knew there was a hiccup on the day. I had more guests than I was supposed to. I didn't have to worry about it. Okay, I'm not saying you should do that because you really shouldn't do that. But it was sorted. Everyone had food, everyone had a seat. Purple 12 just did their magic. Somehow, any little problem we had was just fine. During the course of the evening, the reception, we'd planned what we wanted to do in terms of the agenda for the evening. At one point, it came up to me and said, "Winnie, we're going to move this, and you know, going to cut the cake before we have dinner. Are you cool with that?" I knew that it meant, you know, something wasn't going according to plan, and they had to fix it. So of course, I just went with it, and it worked. You know, I mean, to be fair, I didn't even care if I had dinner before cake or cake before dinner. That didn't bother me. But the fact that, you know, they paid very much a very close attention to the details, which is extremely important to me. I really appreciated it. You know, at the end of the day, everyone was happy, all the vendors were great. I have a good relationships with the vendors even up to now. We had guests from Nigeria, guests from America, guests from London, from Togo, from Ghana, all in one event. And that could be a little bit chaotic on paper, but actually it was great. Everyone loved it. We've got all these Nigerians saying, you know, Labadi, we can get married here. Who did you use? Who sorted out your wedding? You know, and it's people as well. I very much appreciate them. Abukuma and Phyllis, they were just awesome. Phillips is my girl. Yeah, she's just great. They've been great. I don't know what I would have done without them, to be honest. Especially having a wedding in a country where I don't live. It's very challenging. So I appreciate it. Do you know what? If I was to do it again, I'll do Special Tour again. So on behalf of my husband and I, our Ashanti family, our Ewe family, our Igbo family, I'd like to say a big thank you, Medase, Akbelo, Dalo. That's all I know. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.